Hey guys, FirstShop here, obviously, and in this video we're going to be unboxing this package here. This is actually one of the biggest packages I will be unboxing here on the channel thus far. But yeah, this is the LG Ultrawide monitor. This is the 29wk600 and it's a 29-inch ultra-wide monitor. Now this guy is an IPS HDR, has a speaker, and is 2560 by 1080. So yeah, this is actually a really big package compared to the things that I normally unbox here. So I'm gonna try and do it standing, and then I'm going to sit down so you guys can see me properly. So I have my beautiful knife right here. Let me just double check if these things are recording, because all right, so everything seems to be fine. Let's cut. This is actually the knife that I was eating my birthday cake with. I finally cut the cake. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you know that I was skeptical on cutting that cake because it looked so pretty, but I ended up cutting it and it tastes as nice or as good as it looks. Actually, I might actually finish the cake alone because there's basically no one around here to eat it with me. So yeah, all right, let's see what comes inside. Now, my previous monitor is a 27-inch Dell monitor. I think it's also IPS, if not LED. I think it's IPS monitor. Yeah, so that monitor, I'm going to retire it. I'm gonna either use it to monitor. Right now I have the TV that I'm using for this camera. I might start using it for that camera over there, or I might actually sell it. If you want to buy it, let me know. I actually do have a link of a Facebook market link that I'm selling that guy, but it's actually, I'm having trouble selling it. I think it's because of the price. People don't want to pay what I'm asking it for. But anyways, let's see what I can do here. All right, one styrofoam out, and then that's the monitor itself. Wow, it's quite long. All right, let's just light flat there and see what else comes on the box. Okay, there we go. So we have 3 more things inside, and that's the power cable, and that's it. I'm gonna keep this box, but I tend to keep a lot of boxes and my box storage is kind of getting full, but I'm gonna keep it. I like keep it in case I decide to resell it. You can easily resell it with the box, and you can actually charge more because you still have the box. So yeah, here's the guy, the monitor itself. Let me sit down now. This is the monitor. Still huge. I might actually take a thumbnail holding it like so. I hold it like so. Nah, okay. You have the feet. What is this? Okay, this is also part of the feet. I'm guessing this is an extension. What's this? Anyways, let's see what else is in here. Finding a good monitor for an affordable price, or for a good price in South Africa, is a mission. I actually intended on buying that's my phone making noise. I intended to buy a 4K monitor, but the price for 4K monitors, and you can't really find ultra wide 4K monitors that are below, let's say, 8,000. Like those things are really expensive here in South Africa. All right, so since we don't normally read manual, let's figure this out. Okay, I can already see that this goes here, and I can screw it in with my fingers. Okay, so this is just the first part in. I'm guessing this is that goes on the table. This is actually sturdy. I thought this was, okay, it is a metal, but it's covered by, looks like aluminum covered by plastic. Okay, now for the monitor itself. Okay, I need to be careful. I don't want to drop the monitor. Okay. There we go. And it's a beauty with its tiny bezels. It is also, okay, for that I think I'm going to need a screw. So I'm going to place it on top of this so I don't scratch it. Yeah, so how's the button here? I just found the power button. Let me see if I can find the screws maybe here, or maybe I should look at the instruction manual. It actually only shows you how to remove it from the box on this paper. Let's rip this one open. We have, wow, it comes with an HDMI cable. Nice, white HDMI cable. I'm guessing these are the two little screws that I'm looking for that go here and then attach there. I'm gonna probably have to go get a screwdriver, and then you have the power cable. South African standard power cable. This is, I'm assuming this is the cap to cover this. It's like, I know exactly what this monitor comes with, but I actually didn't really do like watch videos on this monitor. I did watch on other ones, but not this one specifically, and I didn't really watch any video on how to build this guy, but I'm assuming this goes somewhere. There we go. It goes like that. When I probably shouldn't have done that yet. After I screw it in, okay, comes out easily. Let me go get screwdriver and I'm gonna be right back. All right, I found a screwdriver. Hopefully is the right size. Need to mount this thing quick, fast, and maybe test it. I'm gonna try and test it just with the Nintendo Switch because it's the closest thing I actually, Nintendo Switch? Yeah, Nintendo Switch. It's the closest thing I have to me right here in the kitchen. Okay, how should we do this? Because if you put it like that, then you see that it doesn't go in. So I need to lift or maybe remove the bottom first. Yeah, that's why maybe you should, oh no, I can always just turn. I was about to say maybe that's why you need to read the instructions first, but nah. For what? For who? For when? For why? All right, so screw number one, it is in. That's what she said. And screw number two. All right, screw number two is going in and it's inside. Hopefully I'm doing good job narrating whatever it's happening, or else I'm just going to actually, there we go. I might just fast forward this part and, okay, does it, oh, it does move. Does it move up and down? Oh no, this thing doesn't go up and down. All right, should have done my research properly, but even if I had done that, I wasn't going to find anything for the price that does what this guy does. Let's just throw these guys on the floor for now. Go on the floor. I'm going to need the power cable, but goes there. Go on the floor. Go on the floor, and let's make so. Wow, this guy is long. I'm still going. That's what she said. Okay, so that's about it. I need to stop with this "that's what she said" jokes. Okay, as you guys can see, that's me reflecting against the monitor. And let's remove this guy here. Guy, as I mentioned, this is a 29 classic 21:9 ultra wide full HD IPS monitor with HDR10, and it's 29 inch diagonally. So features include HDR10, HDR effect. It has an IPS with sRGB of 99%. It is virtually borderless. As I mentioned, it has 21:9 ultra wide display. It has on-screen control, comes with AMD FreeSync. It has advanced gaming features, a very sleek design. It comes with 2 HDMI inputs and 1 display port, as well as a headphone output, and it also comes with speakers. So I managed to connect the screen to my Nintendo Switch just to actually try and test it out, and I'm going to try and maybe handle it like this while I watch it from my monitor and you guys watch it from the camera. So let's try YouTube now. Because this thing is 21:9, some of the content actually might be cut. Let's see if YouTube is the case right now.
Hey guys, FirstShop here, obviously, and in this video we're going to be talking about RMX. Now, as you probably
this is actually the video that just went up today, Monday, when I'm shooting this video. I'm probably gonna upload this, or you're probably watching this video already on Thursday, just to try that out. That's working real fine. Now let's try and play some game. All right. So all tested, everything seems to be fine. The reason I actually got this guy is for me to do my 2020 desk setup, which should come in the next month, still this year, hopefully. And also I chose 21:9 because I'm almost mostly editing on my computer. Anyways, that's the most thing that I do there, and with this large display I can actually fit the whole timeline in here without having to do so much dragging of the actual timeline itself. Now, one downside of this monitor that I actually saw many complain about it is the fact that it actually jiggles a little bit. As you guys can see, as I move the table, it actually shakes a little bit, but it's not really that bad. Also, the other thing that I just realized, which I didn't research that much, is that the monitor actually doesn't go up and down. It only tilts back and forth. But apart from these two things, I think I'm actually satisfied with this purchase. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to see anything else about this monitor, maybe I should make a future video, or if you just have questions, make sure you ask them down in the comments, and as usual, I'm going to try and answer all of them, and if I can make a video to answer those questions, I will always do that. So make sure, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. You make sure you click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.